Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and how the new iPhone 16e is finally launching on Boost Mobile. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. If you go to boostmobile.com, you will be able to check this out. So like I said, this is on Boost Mobile's website, guys. So let's go ahead and check this out. So just scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see it's the iPhone 16e, which of course now is replacing the new, or the old, should I say, iPhone SE models, which is the second and third generation. This is basically, a lot of people would call this the SE4, but of course it's called 16e. So let's get into it. It says latest iPhone, greatest prices, built for Apple Intelligence. So of course there's going to be a little bit of a price increase, and we'll see that of course with Apple Intelligence and all that other stuff. So we can pre-order it. Of course, the pre-ordering started about 2-3 days ago, depending when this video was uploaded, and it will launch this Friday, the 28th, I believe. So as you can see, here it is, guys. So this is an iPhone 16e, which is a new one that Apple just announced. You can get this for $16.67 a month or for $300. And I'll show you but the real price really is a lot more than that. So and we'll show you there. So of course this phone is $600, but like I said, you can get it at a reduced rate. I'll show you. So it comes in black or in white. I personally probably get the black one. It does have 3 different storage sizes. For 120 gigabytes, you can get it at $300. Like I said, that's some promos and stuff. 256 gigabytes starting at $400, and for 512 gigabytes starting at $600. Of course, you can decide to get the insurance or not. I would just say no, because I'll usually get it with Apple Care, even though Boost does have it on there. You could get a new number or keep it. Let's just say new number. Now, of course, you can do the unlimited $60 plan premium. So special deal says unlimited premium, $60 plan required. You can get this for $300, 36-month financing, $16.67, or you can pay today $600, get a free year of service. So you can get a free year of service, but that does require you to buy the phone outright. Now you can get it for $300, which is a steal, I think, which you do have to bundle it with a $60 plan. Of course, it says estimated shipping date is February 28th, February 2025. So like I said, that's that Friday. You can place a pre-order for that. This phone does have a 6.1-inch touchscreen display, 48 megapixel camera. It's a singular camera. Audio playback's 90 hours, iOS 18. Of course, the main thing that this phone will have is I would say the intelligence, really. So it says everything you love, including the price. Built for Apple Intelligence. There it is. So this does have a brilliant 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, perfect for watching shows, playing games, or reading. Durable design. It is a supersized battery. It's about 26 hours of video playback on iPhone 16e, up to 9 more hours video playback than the iPhone 11. That's a huge difference. Of course, it's funny how I don't even know why they're compared to an iPhone 11, but whatever. This does have an A18 chip, which is future-proof for fast. It is 80% faster, of course, than, well, the iPhone 11, which is really old at this point. Like I said, it does have a 48 megapixel fusion camera, all you need for all you shoot. It is Wi-Fi and 5G capable. From what I read, it's not 5G ultra wideband capable. So just be wary about that. Like I said, it's just 5G, which still is fast enough. It says no signal. Stay connected via satellite for 4 times a year without cell service or Wi-Fi. Connect to a satellite and send and receive messages, text messages, services, and more. Of course, it does have the built for Apple Intelligence, up to 80% faster CPU performance, 9 hours more than the iPhone 11. Like I said, I don't know why they keep comparing to the iPhone 11. At this rate, the iPhone 11's been obsolete. So I don't know. Maybe they're just trying to make it feel better. Here's the big comparisons. Here's the real 3 big comparisons I would compare. This is iPhone 16, the Pro, and 16e. This is actually the better comparison. Like I said, I don't know why Apple keeps trying to compare it to the iPhone 11, which is obsolete. So between, remember 16, 16E, and the Pro is going to be the one I personally have. So 6.3 inch does have a Super Retina XDR display. All these do, but this one does have ProMotion technology and always on display, whereas you can't get that on the 16 or the 16E. All three do have the Apple Intelligence, as you can see. All of them do have the same chip almost. It's just getting to see the cores. And of course, the 16 Pro does have the 18 Pro chip with 6 cores GPU. The 16 has the A18 chip with only 5 core GPU. And of course, the A16E does have an A18 chip, but with only a 4 core GPU. So, of course, the Pro is going to be the faster one. 16's middle, and of course, last would be the E, but like I said, you can't complain with the price really. These two do have a camera button. The 16E does not. That's something that people should know. I think a lot of people thought that it would have the camera button, but no, the camera control is only available on the 16 and the 16 Pro, and of course, 16 Plus and Pro Max. Now, here's the cameras, the big thing. Remember, 3 cameras, 2 cameras, 1 camera. You do have the Pro camera system in the Pro models. You have the advanced dual camera system in the 16, 2-in-1 camera system, so it uses just 1 lens on the 16E. All of these do have a 48 megapixel fusion camera, 5 times telephoto camera on the Pro, 2 times on the 16, and 2 times on the 16E. 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, only a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the 16, and of course, with only having 1 lens, the 16E does not have an ultra wide camera. All 3 do have the emergency SOS, crash detection, SOS via satellite, roadside assistance via satellite, messaging via satellite. All 3 do have all those new features. Here's the big thing with the battery. Wow, look at that, guys. The Pro has a 27-hour video playback. The 16 coming dead last with a 22-hour video playback. But look at the little 16E. It makes a comeback here with a 26-hour video playback. Does make a difference. Of course, all 3 are USB-C, but the Pro does support USB 3 versus these other ones only USB 2. All 3 do have Face ID, which is good. All do support super fast 5G speeds, cellular, like I said, which is pretty nice. And overall, they're a great phone. So I would say, overall, here's the main specs of the 16E. Of course, they come in 3 storage size. Like I said, 5G capable, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and NFC. Of course, it is wireless charging, so that's nice. It does have wireless charging, splash, water, and dust repellent, and of course, Apple Intelligence. So not too bad. Of course, in the phone box, you just get the phone, the cable, and some documentations. But what do you guys think, guys? These are pretty good prices, I would say. You can get it for $300 for signing up with them. It does require you to get a $6 plan, but that's a steal for a new iPhone, I would say. Now, the phone does retail for $600. Remember, you can pre-order right now and try to lock in these discounts. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos come your way. Check out the description below. It does help the channel and push it forward. Thanks so much, and have a good day.